Welcome to this tutorial on using the WorldPay REST API. The WorldPay REST API is a powerful tool for businesses to manage payments and transactions online. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to get started with the WorldPay REST API. First, you need to create a WorldPay account and obtain your client ID and client secret. These credentials are used to authenticate your API requests. You can find these in the WorldPay dashboard under the Developer section. Next, you need to choose the API endpoint you want to use. WorldPay provides a range of endpoints for different payment methods such as credit cards and PayPal. You can find the full list of endpoints in the WorldPay API documentation. To make a request to the WorldPay API, you need to send a HTTP request to the chosen endpoint. You can use a tool like Postman or curl to send the request. You need to include your client ID and client secret in the request headers. For example, to create a new payment, you would send a POST request to the payments endpoint. The request body would include the payment amount and the payment method. The response would include a payment ID which you can use to retrieve the payment status. It is also important to handle errors and exceptions when using the WorldPay API. You can do this by checking the response status code and error messages. WorldPay provides a range of error codes and messages to help you diagnose and fix issues. Best practice is to use a secure connection when making API requests. WorldPay recommends using HTTPS to encrypt your requests. You should also keep your client ID and client secrets secure and do not share them with anyone. In conclusion, using the WorldPay REST API is a straightforward process. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily integrate the WorldPay API into your application and start managing payments and transactions online. Remember to always check the WorldPay API documentation for the latest information and updates.